Hi, I'm Khushbu Taneja. I'm a landscape architect working with Oasis Designs Inc. Oasis Designs Inc. collaborated with AIPL for the master planning, landscape design, and envisaged to become an iconic destination for the entire city of Ludhiana. We have planned it as a total zero runoff campus where we have collected all the water, let it absorb within the groundwater to let it recharge. We have treated all the rainwater and then hence reuse it. Along with that, we have done lots of efforts to get in the local biodiversity, the pollinators and everything, so that we can make a sustainable ecosystem, and hence we work with nature and not against it. So the lake is the heart of the township. This is where physically, ecologically, emotionally it lies at the central core of the township, and that is what it is the most attractive point for the entire township. It anchors the views for the people who are living there. There is movement, it anchors the movement and actually the daily routine of every resident that lives there. And on one side of the lake there is this main spine with the hub of the commercial, and on the other side there is a lush green buffer. So basically the lake acts as a segregator to the commercial and the residents. The mental well-being of any person is instantly improved while if we are in vicinity to a green space. What we proposed was that we get the entire commercial at the center where the lake is, the heart of the township, and that can make more sense. And that was one of the strategies that we are very proud to get to the client, and they agreed. We were lucky. So that is one. And then when we started the project, the other part from the landscape point of view is that the entire entry area, if you have visited the site, the entire entry was in shambles. It was really dated, and so we basically tore everything down, and luckily the client agreed, and we literally shape-shifted the entire entry experience. And we widened the entry, made a huge roundabout with a central circular water body in the center, and the trees that you see at the entry, which will make you turn twice. Actually, that has become the landmark for the project and the area around it. That is what we are really, really proud of and very happy to see.